guys, this is a movie scene. This is a shrine. You know, if you know a shrine, a normal African shrine, this is how it looks. And please come closer so that we can show them something. You do it over here. So this looks like a python skin. And it's a python skin, like real python, but it's not alive. So this is the skin of this one, the upper. This 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 animal, this is animal skin, and this is the one here. What was it? This is another animal skin. You see how it looks. So this is a shrine, and we have this pot here. We have this another pot here. Native pot. This another pot here. This is cow horn. Yeah, this is. I don't know. This one is it dog skin? Dog hair. Oh. It looks like. This skull, is it the dog skull? No. I think it's goat. This is a goat skull. Now, but now come on. So this is them high WhatsApp. This is a goat or something. It's called something, I don't know. And these two animal skin. I don't know the kind of animal. You see those little girls, they are running away from the drone. So this is a shrine for movie production. So all these things, they're all set design, you know. Everything you see here is just set design. You know, we shot here yesterday in the stream, and we were here till 12 midnight. It was not easy, but we had to do it. So, looking at, oh, this is a shrine, no? But it's not a real shrine. It's a fake shrine. So don't be scared. When you look at some things here, do not fear. I just want to show you our movie scene. This is a cow horn, and this is a horn of what? I don't know. I don't have an idea of this thing. And that's the skull. I don't know the kind of skull, but this is a snake skin, like a python skin, you know, just for props, for movie props. And this one you see here is animal skin. You know, it's just to bring out the beauty of the scene for the people to see. And sometimes it looks scary. And if you're not careful, you'll be crying, oh, this is scary, but you know, it's for production. And okay, let me try to go down there, then you see how we were shooting. We said I was shooting here yesterday around 6 p.m. till what, 12 midnight. So I'm going down the street so that you can see it proper. And you see that? So this is a shrine. This is the whole shrine. So the guy sitting over there, that's our DOP. And we had one guy that was sitting here, the other one was sitting here, the man with the oracle was sitting there, the other guy was sitting there, and then that's how we started shooting. So guys, what am I even doing on this production? I'm not even the production manager. I'm just, what did I even do here? A production assistant. That's what I did. So this is a lovely and a cool film location. And when you're matching here, you have to be careful before you go and match something that you're not supposed to match. So we shot here yesterday. Yeah, we shot here yesterday midnight around 12 a.m. and everywhere was dark. So what happened here? We brought our generator here to shoot yesterday, and it was so funny that the first gen we on it and the light came up. We on for the second time, there was no light. So we had to go and bring another generator again to come and try it. And that's how we had light, and then we we did our shoot yesterday. So production sometimes is not like sometimes film production is not always easy. It's always stressful, you know. It's not always easy to do production because a lot of things that you need to do, a lot of things that you need to fix, and then to do one or two. Okay, now right now we're here and we're still waiting for the actors to come so that we can start we can start our production. The actors are not here, but we're here. The GOP is there, and then we're getting ready. Please, if you are here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Some of you may like to see my face, so this is my face. Yeah, I just turned my camera to do this video so that you can see who is behind the camera. I'm always here, so that's it there. I think I prefer the front camera because it's showing a clear view of what is around this place. So sometimes, in this our African belief, sometimes people believe a lot of things that when they say if something like this is happening to you, you have to go and appease the God. So that was the idea that they were telling us about because of the challenge that we were having. So we said we have to go and appease the gods, buy coke, buy dry gin so that we can put here so that we'll be able to have light where we are shooting. So I we say we don't believe that because we're the people that set up this shrine here. This this shrine, we were the people that set up this shrine. So why do we need to go and put some things to make things happen here? So we say no, we're not going to do any some spiritual putting Fanta in the water to appease the water and stuff like that. We say we're not going to do it. And thank God we did not do it, and then we brought another gen and it worked perfectly. So sometimes we believe so many things that we don't need to believe, which is not fair. And this our host. Yeah, this beautiful lady here, they are our host. They're the people that host us here in this community as we're shooting. So we are going to do some effects here. We're going to do some effects here while we use the green screen because we want this what do you call it? A herbalist, yes. We want him to stand on the air. So we are going to do some CG visual effects. Yes, we're going to do some effects, visual effects for him to stand on the air. So we are going to use green screen, and maybe probably we are going to mount the green screen here. Mind you, this is on a movie set. This is just a normal film production, not like a big film production. So this is where we're going to set our green screen here, so that we can have this man stand on the air. So everybody, thank you so much for watching this video, and please, if you are here, if you've not subscribed, always try to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. And I'm going to do this. So the shrine subscribe, like, share, subscribe if you want to be seeing updates like this. And if you want to see films like this, subscribe to this channel. And I always share my personal experience and then my film here. This is what I do on this channel. So if you're new, yeah, we're not going to waste time here now.
West, they are going to Western. Okay.
We're not going to waste time.
Good morning. How are you?
Where
are you streaming from? Ibadan. Okay, seems you're in your shop.
So this is it. Let me know where you're watching from. So guys, I have to go back to work and then I'll come back to you later so that you can see what we are doing. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. Are you sure I have data to call that makeup girl? Are you sure I have data to call that makeup girl?
Data?
I have a, what do you call it?
I said, and I'm about to start filming. This is very nice. How much is this one? 45,000. You do wait, you.
Queen.
Let me see the other ones you have. This one is looking like. This one is too small.
Her name is Queen Helen.
40, 44, 45. Yes. I don't like this one. This one is how much is this one?
Back up, on now.
Please, thank you for joining.
Kashima. Sama hint do. Why? Alright. Thank you. Oh no, I don't call the makeup artist also. What?
You are called the makeup artist.
Okay, you like it.
So you go phone now on the baga.
What about you?
You like it.
No way.
You like it. Can't ever pay you
That native doctor. You are hotel baby. They are coming behind us. We're supposed to come together about the car.
You don't want to be here. How is that boy? We went to club used to be. And you come, what you want, you got to let you know, so you're not coming. I don't need to let you know.
You are not man. Jonah, this club, 5 star. Okay, that lady is.
Wow. Why are you looking at me like that?
Me, I don't go to clubs, so I don't know how.
She might have sent it now. I want to.
Is that a command?
No, please. Please, sir.
Let me think about it.
Jesus.
Before I'll see if I can send you the pictures now.
But this guy is trying. So you need being and this still went to club. And I try.
My brother. So okay, when you were streaming, I was streaming. Which streaming were you streaming?
I used to take a call, anything. See, imagine then pay for one year off flight. Everything was 150. I don't know if you even.
Who spent that guy money yesterday? That guy.
That's one that.
Clearly. The one that was acting as a native doctor. They get money.
We saw we no go.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. They will not give you.
No wonder he was even saying.
Alright, guys, I will see you later, okay? One day I'm going to dedicate like 6 hours and stream from 6 hours. I will stream for 6 hours.
On YouTube?
Yes.
6 hours every day.
I will dedicate a day like that and stream for 6 hours. That I was
See how
just.
that YouTube stream dashboard looks like. So,
It looks sweet though. Let's see.
okay.
It looks sweet. So those features.
His
This is Elderman. If you're watching, go and if you like African movie, go and subscribe to his YouTube channel, Elderman TV.
Edaman TV on YouTube.
Elderman TV on YouTube. Search him. He has wonderful and amazing videos for you to watch. So go and subscribe. He's a good DOP. He's going international. Can you see Elderman TV? Go and subscribe and then thank me later. Thank you guys for always coming by. Love you. Let me get to work. I'll see you some other time. Thank you. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. You people are not commenting now, so I have to. At least we need to have a conversation. You talk to me, I talk to you, and then we'll understand ourselves.
Jonah, what do you do for a living?
You know, that's a business. Oh,
I was saying,
I
because
thought
I was like, I know this to do that. I was not annoying.
Are you in
Because
school?